Look at that, it's almost gone.
Is this off?
Yeah.
Okay, a little more cutting and then it's all going to come right off, okay?
You're
Does that
excited?
sound good?
You know what, can we just do this? Can your arm just slide out of there? No, let's try that. That tickle? I'm sorry.
Okay, you ready?
Here it goes, you
wanna
ready?
take it off?
Big
One,
moment.
2, 3.
There it is. Look at that. Look at mommy. Say, look, no more cats.
How does it feel? It's dirty, a little dirty.
Does it feel okay?
How does it feel to straighten your arm? Does it feel okay?
Do you think it's still fractured?
Or is it all better?
I'll try.
Alright, I'm going to lower you down a little bit. And then Ivan.